In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to install Google Chrome on your PC or laptop. So yeah, let's get started right away. So what we want to do is you want to open Microsoft Edge or well, any other browser, doesn't really matter. And we want to just search for Google Chrome download, just like this. And we will get, usually you will get advertisements first. So you gotta really look out for which one is actually Google Chrome, because this is not Google Chrome. So we want to click on this one right here. And this will say download Chrome. So yeah, just click on it. And it has now downloaded it. So we want to click on run. If you click on run, and this will pop off or pop up, and you want to click on yes. And it says downloading Google Chrome. So we're just gonna wait for that a few seconds. And it says download is finished installing right now. And Google Chrome has been installed. And we're going to close all the other tabs, and this is how Google Chrome looks like. And since I already have Google Chrome, it looks like this for me, but for you it will probably just look like the default Google Chrome. And probably Google Chrome is already set up as your default browser, but if that's not the case, I'm going to show you guys how to change it as your default browser. So we're going to click on start, then click on the settings right here. We want to go to apps. And then on the left side, you want to click on default apps. And for web browser, as you can see, for me, it is already set as Google Chrome. But if it's not, you can just click on it, and instead of Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge, just click on Google Chrome like this. And this will update Google Chrome as your default browser. And that is basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.